Hi all, happy Monday. So a quick word about your first weekly assignment, the KWL chart. For starters, this is how I go about grading things like this. Essentially, I put them all from the Google Doc into a Excel doc, and then I take away the names, and I do keep the timestamps. But I just wanted to show you, have some examples of, so here is an example of someone that received a 6, which was full credit, and then the 0.5, you received 0.5 points for the extra credit assignment. So we have the what I know. This did not have to be robust because maybe you didn't know that much. What I want to know, you had to give me more. This showed me your critical thinking and the effort level. You had to tell me what you want to know. That was a big part of this. And what I learned, and this is just syntax errors with transferring information, but what I learned, you not only had to have what you said had to be pointed, but grammatically correct, your ideas were good, you weren't rambling, that kind of stuff. So that's what I was looking for here. So this individual received a 6.5, which is the highest you could get here. Wanted to go through a couple others. Let's see here. This person received a 5. 5 out of 6, again, not a big deal if you didn't have a lot of information in the what I know, because maybe you don't know that much about it. But the what I want to know, you had to really expand here. So this could have been a 6 if this was more robust. A nice summary of what they learned. And then extra credit, you guys, just in general. Anytime I offer extra credit or professors offer it in general, you should probably take it. There were 2, I think, that were interesting that people told me about. I did not know about The Storm, a Netflix series. And there was one other that was really interesting that I actually hadn't heard about. But let me just see. Okay, 3. So this is what a 3 looked like. This probably could have been a 2, but the first time, so we'll go with the 3. Then we had a 1.5 down here. So you can pause this and take a look at what 6.5 looked like, what a 3 looked like, a 5 looked like. And if you have any questions, please do let me know. So there is that assignment. Let me try to get out of this. Okay, what do we have next? So this week coming up, excuse me, we have weekly assignment number 2, your job posting. A question that I've gotten on that is, as far as how do you know that someone else hasn't taken the posting that you need? Well, you can create a tab. So you can go on and create a tab, label it job posting, and then go on and look. So a lot of you have already posted something there. So do read the instructions for this, the weekly assignment instructions now, today, and email me if you have a question about this. I don't like getting emails on, well, let's say Tuesday night or Wednesday midday about what is due on Wednesday night. Again, I do have high expectations in the class, but you can, without a doubt, do very well in my course if you just put in the effort. Back to the chapter takeaways. This is the first week that you will have the chapter takeaways. Now, this is, I think, the easiest way that you can learn information in a course. I'm giving you free reign. I'm asking you to read a chapter, and then from what you think is interesting about it, go find other sources and read more about it. So I'm asking you to learn more about what you're interested in. And hopefully you will take that opportunity and then put it into, a few paragraphs and make sure to cite all your sources at the end. Okie doke. So that is, all grades are updated currently, and that's it for what needs to happen in week 3. Okay, you guys, email me with any questions. Bye.